Hi, this video shows how we add table of content to the file. So if your file has a long sections, different appendix and very long, so sometimes it's convenient to have table of contents there. So to do so is very simple. Usually you put it after the make titles, and table of content automatically collect all the sections and subsections in your file. So here you can see we have contents here, and usually after this you want a new page, so that's why you may want after title here. If I put a new page here, when you compile it, okay, so it's here, and probably you want after the appendix, also usually in the new page, okay. And here we have a 3-page document, and here you can see the page number automatic adjusts, okay. And sometimes table of contents a new page, then this is how you make, and you have abstract here or some front page here. So this is how contents and page number are adjusted accordingly. And for advanced usage, you can want a clickable link for the table of content. In that case, you want to load the package, which introduce also talk about in other video is hyperreference. Okay, and you have this, then you create clickable link for this. So here go to model one, and you click this, become the data section. So this have an interactive table of content in here in this page. Of course, in the PDF, you also can look at the table of content. This also have section subsection at the same time, but this is also useful when the document is very long, and when people print it out, it's also very useful because when they print out, they don't have the table of content here, and you want them to look at your file. If very long, then this will be very useful. So that's all for table of content. Thank you for listening.